Hi guys, we are back on YouTube. Just sleeping, and everything's still the same, but instead we bought a little bit. I got a new whiteboard and I got new markers. So it's like questions. Who is this person?
We keep crossing him. He can't stop us.
Wait.
We are nearly unstoppable with the crossover. Oh my gosh. Hit it, hit it. Hit it.
Who is this person?
I can't dance
What
in this.
is this person?
Thank you. He said nice shoes. Thank you.
Where is this person?
Camp Crystal Lake. We're getting our points on our survival.
How old is this person?
We are running this map right now. We are running this game. Oh gosh.
And I think that's it.
Jason. You are pretty fast.
If there's more, put in the comments. Since I only have a couple subscribers.
Oh gosh, I didn't even know this was over a special boy badge. How come I never got this? How come I never got this badge? Okay, here we go. Oh no, give me the coin. Okay. 59. 59. What a record.
Go ahead.
What a record.
You have to do this.
Okay.
Subscribe.
This outfit I've seen in a while.
You have to subscribe to my channel. Please.
This
You only have a little bit of subscribers.
American flag okay. Oh gosh. Not among again. Okay, he's coming right here, right? Stay over there.
So we had.
Just don't come over.
Try to guess what it is. I know this. 16 times 4.
I don't want him to mess up my. Oh, he's. You might die, savage.
It's the same as 50.
But if he's a savage, then he shouldn't die.
Plus.
Like me, 60 survivors. Let's go.
10.
I am turned up right now. I am lit. 60
4.
freaking survivors.
What does that equal?
They can't stop us.
60.
Give us a floor. Give us any floor you want to give us.
Or 0.
No, I don't like this floor. I'm sorry I said that. I'm scared of this floor. Hey, Jigsaw.
1 and 63. What does that equal? They all mean the same thing.
He already killed the honey back there.
You have 5 seconds to come up with the answer. You don't have to put in the comments. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Since I know this, it's 64. 50 plus 10, that's 60. Plus 4 equals 64. 60 and then 4, they just told you.
That's what I thought. What he didn't know is I actually had something.
It just says 64, the answer. 63 and 1. What is after 3? 4.
No.
64. So I didn't know all this?
Nothing.
You should be a genius.
Where's that guy at with the pizza that had the pizza? Those fish are stuck right there. You're not going to get me. You're stuck behind the couch, buddy. Oh!
If you...
I barely made it out of there.
So, everybody is a big fan of YouTube, right?
First person makes it even scarier because look, we get to see him like straight on. Look at that.
Right?
Pizza guy at? If you
YouTube is popular.
This far,
and
I want you guys in the comment below to leave pizza. Leave the word pizza in the comment below. They won't even know what you're talking about if they haven't watched this long. Leave pizza in a comment below. Uh-oh, we're at the machine. Okay. We're definitely at the... where did he pop
To be continued. I don't even know if this part continued. But bye.